Alright, so I wasn't gonna do a video tonight. I just got home a little while ago. But I've been in here with this girl. She's been abused. And she's been abused by a guy. One of our female staff people was with her. She was friendly as can be. When I came in to do a little assessing, growled, tail was in a really bad position. Tried to bite all 9 yards. Was out of fear. But I can tell she was abused kind of bad. But I've been in here with her for about 20 minutes now. And I think that she's gonna come around. She's just gonna have to be introductions that are slow. You want your toy? Huh? You want your toy? Now that you know I'm not a bad guy? Is that your toy? Yeah. What about your other toy? How about that one, huh? What about that toy, huh? What about that toy? You doing better now? Yeah, we just gotta go slow. Can you come out now? Can you come out and say hi? Huh? No? You still don't feel safe yet? Let's try that again, huh? Hey, here's your toy. You got that one over there, huh? Come bring me your toy. Can you bring me your toy, huh? Can you? It's okay. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you. No, it's okay. You're okay. Yeah. It's a good baby. You're okay. You're safe. Yeah, she's safe. See? Nobody's hurting you. No. Nobody's hurting you. You feeling better now? Yeah. Are we feeling a little safer now? Yeah, are we feeling a little safer now? Yeah, oops. It's okay. Yeah, we're feeling safer. Are we feeling safer? You got some damage to your throat, it feels like, huh? Yeah, somebody did something to you bad, huh? Yeah, I know. I'm glad you came around. You're just shy at first, huh? Guys aren't bad. Yeah, guys aren't bad. You realize that now? Huh? Are you realizing that all guys aren't bad? Yeah. It's okay. You're safe. Yeah, we're safe now. Yeah. Yeah, we're safe now, huh? Yeah, we are. I know. I know. It's okay. It's okay. See, all guys aren't bad. Yeah. So when I first, like I say, when I first went in, she squatted and peed and ran under the bed and came out. And her tail was up and out. I had to take a quick intake picture of her. And when I did that, she actually snapped and tried to bite. It's because she was so scared. Yeah, because somebody was mean to you, huh? But she'll make somebody a good home. She's just gonna have to have a guy around that can be patient and people to realize that, you know, she's gonna be afraid of men at first until she learns to trust them. And there's some dogs like that. And I think she's gonna be like that because she had a rough go of it. Huh? Yeah, she had a rough go of it. Yeah, I know, kid. I know, yeah. Okay, now that we made friends, I gotta go, all right? Yeah? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right. Yeah, I know, honey. I know, it's okay. It's okay, I know. Nobody's gonna be mean to you anymore, okay? All right, that's it for tonight, guys. I gotta go.